Another video from Recovered Carbon Black Europe in Barcelona. I'm with Manoj from Hercules Global, who has a facility in Senegal. Is that right?
Yes. We have a facility in Senegal. And thank you, Martin, for informing us and keep updating us always what's happening in the rCB. I heard first time the name rCB only from you when we had a Zoom call. You were doing a wonderful job in informing people and making them knowledgeable about this. I really appreciate your efforts.
Thank you so much, Manoj. It's my passion. And actually, for me, the best thing is to hear from you that you came to the conference because of newsletters and posts.
Right.
But tell me a little bit more. Senegal sounds like a wonderful country to be in. How is the industry, and how much end-of-life tires do you have, and what do you do?
We have enough tires. It's a beautiful country, and it's a soccer playing country. We are the first one to start this end-of-life tires factory in Senegal. We are getting enough, but the only problem is that we are not able to add value to the products like char, which earlier I used to say rCB, but after meeting you, I started saying it char. So, so there's a lot of possibility of doing value addition because otherwise these tires were getting burnt on the road in Africa. So we are trying to do our bit and see, and this is the first time I'm attending this conference like this, where I thought I had a fantastic knowledge sessions. Otherwise rCB, we only heard from your LinkedIn file. Here everyone is talking about it, so it's a lot is happening in the industry, and it's great to be here.
Thank you so much, Manoj. Have a good conference.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.